Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a frustrating issue many of you are facing with the EA College 20 Football 25 on the PS5. Error code CE1082551. This error can prevent you from enjoying the game, but don't worry, we have got some fixes to try. The error code CE1082551 often occurs when trying to start a game, leading to crashes or being kicked back to the PS5 dashboard. If it's not just you, many players are experiencing this issue. Let's dive into some solutions. First, try deleting and reinstalling the game. Sometimes a fresh install can resolve issues caused by the corrupted files. Make sure to delete any saved data associated with the game before reinstalling. Rebuild database. Another solution is to rebuild your PS5 database. This can help fix issues related to game data and system performance. To do this, go into safe mode on your PS5 and select the options to rebuild the database. Check for updates. Ensure your PS5 and the game are updated to the latest version. Sometimes updated can resolve known issues like this error code. Reset console. If you above step don't work, try resetting your PS5. This will restore it to its default setting, which might help solve the issue. And remember to back your data before doing this. Custom contact support. If none of this solution work, it might be time to reach out the PlayStation support. This can provide more personalized assistance or offer refund the game remain unplayable. That's it for today's video. Hopefully one of these solution help you to fix error CE1082551 and get back to the enjoying EA College Football 25. If you have any other tech related issues you would like to help with, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget like and subscribe for more tech problems videos.